Welcome back to day 14 of our RC Rock Crawler Advent Calendar build. So, quick summary, this is where we've got to. And we are on to day 14. Now, this one won't take much searching. I already know it's just here. It's quite a big one as well, so not sure what's going to come out of this one. Being this size, it's either going to be the radio, but I think that might be the last thing. So the only other thing that's going to be that big that can come out will be body. So let's have a look at this thing. Yep, straight away. It's not necessarily body, but it is a bright red roll cage. So here's your car. Here's your roll cage with some fake lights. That's a shame. If they were LEDs, that'd be brilliant. Not quite sure where this attaches. It's going to be that way, obviously. But it's going to be something like that. Not too shabby. Looks all right. Now, with building this, I am starting to think I may want to give rock crawling a go. Maybe with I'll give it a go actually, yeah. I'll give rock crawling a go. I want like an extreme rock crawler like this with lots of articulation, but then I also want to get like a Land Rover or Toyota Land Cruiser rock crawler, so it's more realistic and see what it's like. So yeah, we'll have to look into that after Christmas. There we are. Not much to do on this one, but thank you for watching. Stay amped.